Hello, today we're presenting Polymaster's firefighting trailers. This one's 1200 litres. We also do 2000. We'll start from the ground up, like everything at Polymaster is built from the ground up. This trailer chassis is hot dip galvanised, so you'll never have any corrosion or rust. It's riding on 14-inch 5-stud wheels. It has rocker roller load sharing suspension and the mechanical brakes on the front axle. The difference there with the 2000 is obviously being over 2 tonne, by law it has to have electric brakes on all 4 wheels with a breakaway. So if it became separated from the vehicle, it would stop itself. It has a compliance plate with a VIN number, LED lights, so it's ready for registration should you need to do so. Moving up the tank, it is translucent in full sun, so therefore through this level gauge you can see the level of the water. Filling is very simple via 450mm vented screw lid. Through to the important part, its qualities and reliability is number 1 at Polymaster. We've run with a Geniune Honda 6.5 horsepower motor coupled to a twin impeller Onga pump. Twin impeller is very important in this scenario. So when you're running with many metres of hose reel, 36 in this case, you need the twin impeller to give you the extra pressure and distance through your adjustable fire nozzle. On the way to the nozzle, there is a bypass valve. The purpose of that is to protect the pump. In the heat of the battle, the hose is thrown down, turned off, you're thrown down, the motor's left running, someone's distracted. It'll bypass water back into the tank rather than just continue to churn against a dead head and overheat and damage your pump. In the front is a toolbox, a very nice tradesman's toolbox. In that toolbox is a 6-metre suction line for doing what we call bottom fill. In the case of that, if you're running low, you're getting empty, you're out in the field, we know that you can't afford the lost time to go off a long way to find your water from a pressurised source. So you simply move this suction line to the pump up to the delivery port. On the suction line, through the cam locks, you'd put your 6-metre bottom fill hose, we call it. That can be thrown into a dam, a channel, or a lot of paddocks and places have a poly tank. You can connect it straight to a poly tank out in the field and draw straight from one of those sources and refill your tank while staying on site. That concludes the presentation. Once again, if you want any more information, Polymaster, 1800 062 064 or polymaster.com.au. Thank you.